Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today we are diving into a quick and easy nail art tutorial with the design displayed on the screen. You will see just how simple it is to recreate. In just 2-3 minutes, you will have a stunning nail design. Let's get started. First, apply a generous layer of gel polish onto the nail, ensuring it spreads evenly. Since we are only applying one coat, make sure it's thick rather than thin. Remember not to cure under UV light just yet. We are going to create our design before proceeding with the curing process. Now let's bring our nail design to life. Grab your white gel polish and dotting tool for this step. We will be creating dots in a straight line formation, both horizontally and vertically. Remember, consistency is the key here. Ensure each dot is of equal size, neither too small nor too big. This will evaluate the overall look of your design. So let's get started by crafting precise and equal sized dots along straight lines to achieve our desired pattern. Now it's time to take your brush and add the next layer to our design. Starting from the cuticle of the nail, draw a line extended from the dot towards the center of the plus sign we have created. Stop halfway along the length of the plus line. Next, create another line starting from the bottom edge of the nail, moving upward to meet the center of the plus sign. Repeat this process on the right and left side, ensuring each line connects to middle of the plus sign. Remember to touch the middle part of the plus line with each stroke of your brush. With each precise stroke, our design will come together beautifully. By following these steps, we will achieve a stunning nail art look. Let's continue refining our design with careful brush work, bringing our vision to life on each nail. With our design complete, it's time to set it in place. Cure the nail under UV light for approx 60 seconds and allow it to set. Once cured, apply a shiny top coat generously over the entire nail surface, ensuring every part is covered. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials in the future. Thank you for watching.